The next one says converting a fraction to a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means it's going to quit. It's not going to go on and on and on and on forever or start repeating. So what they're really trying to get across is fractions are really division problems. I'm just dividing. I am taking the 54 and I'm dividing it by 25. So that means our decimal's right behind the 54. We know there's going to be a number in front of the decimal because 54 is bigger than 25, right? 25 goes into 54 two times. 2 times 25 is 50. I bring down my 4 and then I add that 0 and bring it down and take 25 into 40. 25 goes into 40 one time. 1 times 25 is 25. I then have to subtract, and I get 15. I add my 0 and bring that down, right? 25 goes into 156 times. 6 times 25 is 150. I get a remainder of 0, so 2.16. So if you had your calculator and you took it and put in 54 divided by 25, using the division instead of the fraction, because we want a decimal, it should say 2.16, yep, because it's just a division problem. Whenever you have a fraction, it really means you're dividing. So, 69 divided by 8. Eight goes into 69 8 times, because 8 times 8 is 64. Something about something falling on the floor. Can't remember the rhyme. Then I get a 5 and bring down my 0. 8 goes into 50. 6 times. I better make sure I put my decimal up there. 6 times 8 is 48. I get a 2 and bring down my 0. 8 goes into 20. 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. I get a 4 and bring down my 0. 8 goes into 40. 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. I'm done. So, 8.625. Now number 15 is a proper fraction, so we know there's going to be a 0 in front of our decimal. We're dividing 25 into 19, but it doesn't go in there, so we're going to have 0 point something, right? 25 into 190. 7 times, that'd be 175. 190 minus 175. 15. I add my 0. 25 into 150. 6 times. I always think of 25 like quarters because I know about money. How many quarters is $1.75? 0.76 then would be our number as a decimal.